Hello everyone, I'm Denisa CANI, PhD student from Rezear College in Albania, and my colleague, also my supervisor, Associate Professor Rezear KOLAJ from Agricultural University of Tirana. We will share with you the results of our research paper titled Digitalization of the Economy, Challenges and Achievements of Fiscalization Implementation in Albania. During this presentation, we will discuss about a short introduction of fiscalization process in Albania, some challenges and achievements, research objective, results, conclusions, and recommendations. As we know, the successful implementation of the fiscalization process constitutes one of the current challenges of the Albanian economy. We have digitalization of public services through the Albanian platform. Also, we have digitalization of financial services through self-care platform. Therefore, from January 1st, 2021, has started the implementation of the fiscalization system in the Albanian economy. But what is fiscalization? Fiscalization is not a new tax. Fiscalization is the real-time reporting of tax information. In fact, the new fiscal platform is implementing in a relatively difficult period for the Albanian economy, considering the successive challenges such as damages caused by the earthquake 2019 and the socio-economic consequences, the period of the COVID-19 pandemic, lockdown, etc., which are also combined with the inherent logical, digital, and technical administrative difficulties of using the new fiscal platform. As a result, the business is faced with challenging processes and difficulties within a short period of time. Fiscalization reform and its implementation since January 1st, 2021 has gradually influenced the improvement of the functionary of business to government, business to business relationship from July 1st, 2021, and business to consumer on September 1st, 2021. The implementation of the new fiscalization process has been proactive and comprehensive. A number of entities have been subjected to the new technological approach, such as the public institutions, banks, financial and non-banking institutions, and all taxpayers who issue invoices for the sale of goods and services. Therefore, the objective of the paper is to analyze the process and identify the challenges and achievements so far of the fiscalization reform in the Albanian economy. About the results, the new reform has increased the business cost. Meanwhile, the business has to adapt to the new technology to implement the fiscal platform and issue invoices through the self-care portal. The enterprises must either adapt the current tax register or use software solutions. In the event that the small business adapt the current cash register, they have to pay for the updated cash register, which cost about 50 euros. The cash register maintenance costs about 43 euros per year. The internet card costs about 17 euros per year, and the insurance of the electronic certificate cost 4,000 Albanian lek per year without needing a terminal printer, as the case also serves as a printer. So the cost is around 130 to 140 euros per year. This result emerged from the experience of micro-enterprises being assisted throughout the implementation of the fiscalization process. Another possibility is to implement the fiscal platform through the use of a software company In this case, the cost could be buying a computer or tablet that costs approximately 10,000 to 20,000 Albanian lek. Software solution, 10,000 Albanian lek. Terminal printer, 10,000 Albanian lek. Internet, 12,000 Albanian lek for a small line, and 4,000 Albanian lek per year electronic security certificate. More specifically, the cost can be around 400 euros if you install the software solution on a tablet, and around 480 euros if you install it on a computer. During the first year of implementing the fiscal platform, enterprises generally reacted positively. On about 118,000 active enterprises observed until the end of 2021, approximately 71,000 were fiscalized in total. Meanwhile, it can take more time to see if the implementation of the new fiscal platform will continue to have a positive impact on the income generated by businesses in the state budget. However, a competitive look at the short-term tax revenue from value-added profit tax revenue from social and health insurance contributions, and the revenue generated for personal income tax for the periods before the implementation of the fiscal platform and the period after that, it can be valuable to understand the trends. Therefore, we can refer more concretely to the year 2020, which is the year before the start of the implementation of the new fiscalization process, and the year 2021, which coincides with the first year of use of the new platform, and the dynamics proved to be positive indicators in economic growth. Thus, in 2021, with the beginning of the implementation of the fiscal platform, an increase in the level of VAT revenues in the state budget is observed, about 17.95%. In addition, a revenue from profit tax is observed at a growth level at 25.76%. There is also an increase in personal income tax and social and health insurance contributions revenue. Accordingly, this increase is 18.16% and 12.91%. Summing up, we can say that the increase in these revenues shows that the implementation of the new fiscal platform had a positive effect on the increase of revenues in the state budget, fulfilling one of the goals of its implementation. In this graph, the difference in the growth of tax revenues in 2021 compared to previous year 2020 can be seen more clearly. It should be emphasized that 2021 is the first year of the implementation of the fiscal platform, and however, there are changes. Therefore, it is expected that the changes will be more pronounced in the following years when the new fiscal platform is implemented to its 100% extent. From the analysis of the most influential factors in the new process of fiscalization in the Albanian economy, we emphasize that the expectations are that the new reform will affect the general increase in economic performance, the strengthening of the role of economic actors, and the increase in transparency. It represents an important development towards the digitization of the economy, contributing to the business environment, a possible attraction for foreign investments, and bringing the Albanian economy closer to the integration processes and the European Union. And conclusions and recommendations: the modernization of stakeholder networks and the sophistication of their environment and businesses also represent an important direction for the development of the economy, in which the newly implemented fiscal platform practically contributes. Now, enterprises are using pre-filled documents, eliminating errors, and above all, correcting fictitious inventories. Buyers and sellers can better communicate with each other in accepting and rejecting invoices through the self-care system. These are some indicators that testify to the expected increase in formality and decrease in anti-competitive behavior and unfair competition in the market, etc. Furthermore, the analysis in Table 3 about SWOT analysis suggests that the fiscalization process is a necessary measure for the economy to also meet the standards of Albania's integration into the European Union. However, a question of research interest remains. Will the new fiscal platform help formalize the Albanian economy? Thank you all for your attention.